When a customer comes to us, one of the common questions we get routinely is data. Commonly, we like to say our customers are data rich and information poor. So they have all this data that they're combing through and they don't know how to get insights into the how and the why.
Power BI gives us the opportunity to do that where we didn't have that before. We are able to help clients not only implement the Power BI platform, but we can also help them understand the data that they're looking at.
The first thing we do is we show that to the executives, and I've seen CEOs kind of go, really? I can get that information and I can drill into that in my office, right? Or I can do that on my phone. And we're like, yeah, and they're sold.
We give our clients the ability to do self-service analytics, giving them the ability to have the data when they want, when they need it, without having to wait for IT.
When we start coupling that with some of the more modern analytic capabilities and the advanced analytics, it really provides that next level engagement or next level innovation for companies to understand how do they use their data to grow their business. And I think that's what's so exciting and powerful about Power BI.